everyone! Today, let's talk about what to include in a social media manager contract. First, clearly define the scope of work. Outline all the services you'll provide, like content creation, scheduling, engagement, and reporting. Next, specify the contract duration and termination terms. This includes start and end dates and how either party can terminate the agreement. Don't forget payment terms. State your fees, payment schedule, and any late payment penalties. Confidentiality clauses are crucial. Ensure all sensitive information about the business remains private. Clarify ownership of the content. Typically, the client owns the content, but the social media manager may retain rights to showcase their work. Include performance metrics to track success. Set clear expectations for engagement rates, follower growth, or other KPIs. Outline the process for revisions and approvals. Specify how many revisions are included and the approval timeline. Want to make it easier? Check out our editable Canva templates for small business owners. They make creating professional contracts a breeze. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.